crack it.
Hey Namaste Guys, Chopra here, and in this video I'm going to unbox a Venus Skeleton men's automatic watch. So let's unbox it. It seems to be made up of stainless steel. Its display type is analog and its machinery is completely visible through the display. The thing which I loved about this watch is that it did not work on a battery. Instead, it worked on motion, so it was eco-friendly. So let's see how it looks when we wear it. Overall, this watch is amazing and durable. The second thing I like about it that it is a budget watch and it costed me around 1900 INR. So bye guys for now. See you soon in the next video.